Hey foodies, we are cooking a hearty dinner today, which literally takes minutes and is a real joy. All we need is simple ingredients and a non-stick pan, which is also oven safe. Heat the pan on low heat and set the oven to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Then cut pork collar or another piece of marbled pork into large cubes about inch by inch. Without adding any oil, roast pork cubes in a well-heated dry pan on medium heat so that intramuscular fats in the pork melt. This will keep the meat moist and tender. Season the meat with salt and pepper. Next is adding the onions. Roughly chop a large yellow onion and throw it on top of the sizzling meat. Then cut the potatoes, skin on, into large cubes approximately the same size as the pork and add them on top of the onions. Season the onions and potatoes with a pinch of salt and combine everything together. Now slice and cut the mushrooms. I have here 3 different types: shiitake, oyster, and cremini. Such a variety adds texture to this dish and makes it much tastier. Add the mushrooms to the pork and potatoes, season with salt and pepper, and mix again to combine the juices and flavors together. Let it roast for a few minutes until pieces are golden brown. The last thing to add is minced garlic. Throw in the garlic, combine, and send the pan to the heated oven for 10-15 minutes. Remove from the oven and plate. Garnish with minced fresh dill and serve with sauerkraut, kimchi, or pink pickled cabbage on the side, like in this video. So, how's the dinner? Is this something you would eat after, say, a long winter hike? Tell us in the comments. All ingredients and measurements are in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Thanks for being with us today. Subscribe if you want to see more delicious recipes, and stay well.